A clinical guide to lung auscultation. Let us see the technique of lung auscultation. Identify normal breath sound and their locations. Recognize and differentiate abnormal or adventitious breath sound and relate findings to common medical conditions. During auscultation, use the diaphragm of the stethoscope on bare skin. And the patient position should be in sitting upright, then breathe deeply through an open mouth. Follow a side-to-side or zigzag pattern to compare symmetrical lung fields. And assess both anterior and posterior chest, starting from the apices. Breath sounds are classified as normal breath sounds and adventitious breath sound. Normal sounds are characterized by their pitch, intensity, and the duration during inspiration and expiration. Normal breath sounds are vesicular, bronchovesicular, bronchial, and tracheal. Vesicular breath sound is heard almost all over the lung field area, most lung field area, and in this case, it is a slow, low-pitched, and inspiratory phase is greater than expiratory phase. In the case of bronchovesicular, inspiratory phase is almost equal in duration to expiratory phase. It is medium in loudness and the pitch, and it is heard next to the sternum at the first and the second intercostal space anteriorly and between scapula posteriorly. In the case of bronchial breath sound, it's loud, high-pitched. Expiratory phase is longer than inspiratory, and it's just above clavicles on each side of the sternum, over the manubrium. Tracheal is harsh, high-pitched, which is heard above supraclavicular notch over the trachea. Vesicular is soft, low-pitched, rustling sound is heard over most peripheral lung fields. As I've said, inspiration lasts longer than expiration. Bronchovesicular is medium pitch and intensity, heard over the main bronchus, first and second intercostal space anteriorly and between the scapula posteriorly. In this case, inspiration and expirations are equal. Bronchial is high-pitched, loud, and tubular, heard over the trachea and the larynx. In this case, expiration lasts longer than inspiration. Tracheal is very loud and harsh, heard directly over the trachea. The others are abnormal or adventitious sound. Abnormal sounds are superimposed on normal breath sounds and they typically indicate pathology. The 5 main types are crackles or rails, wheeze, bronchi, stridor, and the pleural friction rap. Crackles are a discontinuous popping or bubbling sound. The crackles or rails are also classified as fine crackles and coarse crackles. Fine crackles are high-pitched, short duration, like hair rubbing together. Coarse crackles are low-pitched, moist, and velcro-like wrapping. It's due to fluid in alveoli or inflammation, such as pneumonia, heart failure, and pulmonary edema. This is coarse crackle. Ronca is a low-pitched, continuous snoring or rattling sound. It's often clear with coughing. It is caused by mucus or secretion in large airways, such as bronchitis. So it clears with coughing, unlike that of other sounds, such as rails. Wheezing is a high-pitched, continuous musical sound primarily on expiration. It is caused by narrow airways such as asthma and COPD. So bronchi is due to mucus in large airways such as bronchitis, whereas crackles or rales is a fluid in alveolus such as pneumonia and heart failure. Wheezing is due to airway narrowing due to conditions such as asthma and COPD. The other is stridor and the pleural friction rap. Stridor is a harsh, high-pitched crong sound heard mainly on inspiration. It's a medical emergency indicating upper airway obstruction due to, for example, croup, foreign body, epiglottitis, and others. Pleural friction rap is a low-pitched, dry, grating or creaking sound like laser rubbing caused by inflamed pleural surface rubbing together or pleurisy. Thank you for watching.